My dear lovely students, knowledge without character, there is no use. My girl, my daughter, my son or somebody is the number one student in the college. No use. What about the character? That is the most important. Character is the most important than education. That is why I used to tell everybody, be careful, behave properly. When you enter the campus, you think it is a Mohan Babu University. I came here to study and take certificate and placement cell. ఉద్యోగం వచ్చి సర్టిఫికెట్ అమ్మా నాన్నకు సంతోషపరిచి తీసుకెళ్ళాలని. మోహన్లాల్ గారు, బ్రదర్, దిస్ ఇయర్ హెడ్స్ అప్ టు ఆల్ ది పేరెంట్స్. దే హ్యావ్ బిలీఫ్ ఆన్ మీ అండ్ ఇన్ మై ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. The girls are more in my institution in Andhra Pradesh because they are more than my daughters, my sons. 10 kilometers nobody can touch. There is no guts. What purpose we will go to the movie? What purpose we will go to the flight inside? We can't do whatever we want, whatever they want, whatever their rules, that we must follow. Like that, when you step in, behave yourself,